Hey, look who's back. Don from Super Blast. All right, picked up the rig today. We had new hoses put on here. Pumps. This pump has a crack in it. Right in this area. So they're going to replace this. It's under warranty. No problem. Had the seals in that one need to be replaced. What else we get done? We got new water supply lines put on, thicker, better, and just basically maintain everything. New battery that I put in last week. The Zeta was completely taken out of there, inspected. Everything's perfect. And you know why that is? It's because I rinse it out like you're supposed to. All right, we're at my house today. I'm just wanting to run the rig a little bit, and I want to make my wife smile today, so we're going to clean this fence back here. Look at this. And we'll do the back of that shed over there, and then I got to fix that siding. And that'll be all taken care of. Never ends when you're a homeowner. We'll wash down right about where that Bigfoot is down there on the side of the garage. What's really nasty over here. Even this stuff's really nasty right here. Might even need a little bit of pump up action. Probably not, but we'll see. And then all this stuff is damming this up here so the water just sits here. So what we want to do is blow all this out of here first. Then we're going to downstream this green stuff right here. And the back of the shed needs it. It's got mold all over it as well. I think it's moss. I don't know. People call it algae, moss, mold. It's green. That's all I know. All right. All right, let's go ahead and get after it. And good to be back. We'll be back Friday for a full wash. So it ought to be interesting. This customer called me a while back and canceled because of the water restrictions. And he said his neighbor is going to call the police on me and everything else, which if she comes out and gives me a hard time, I'll tell her, you know, I'll dial it for you. I'm a business, so I am allowed to pressure wash and make a living. If you're a homeowner, you're not allowed to. There's water restrictions for everybody doing it themselves. All right, that's all I got to say about that. So look for the video on Friday. It ought to be pretty entertaining. I called the guy on Tuesday after my surgery last week, which by the way went really well, and I'm feeling groovy like an old-time movie. But I'm gonna go ahead and film this lady coming out and giving us a hard time. It'll be interesting. It'll be comical. And it's a full wash. Pool deck, cage, house, driveway, the whole schmeal. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's get this puppy fired up. There's that SH for all love and love. First we'll go ahead and hit everything with the SH. We'll let it sit. And we'll get all those leaves and all that pollen away from everything. Give this thing a nice, good, nice coat. All right, there you go.
Well, the front door's open and the lights are low. Got a feeling in my boots that it's time
Like I said, this stuff right here is probably going to have the pump up. We'll see what it does. This will be a good lesson. For you soft washer guys out there that think you need to use the soft washer all the time, I mean, you got to use 2 sets of hoses. I mean, I get that's the way you're taught. That's great. But I'm here to show you that it can be done easier. Yeah, that stuff's going to be tough right there. We'll see how it does. Let it sit as well. All right, we'll be back. All right, about 10 minutes worth of work, boom. Now everything will drain under the fence again. The guy next door put these boards, but he left little slots. And these are our landscape boards that we put in years ago. But this is all cleaned up. The shed's all nice and cleaned up. We're just gonna leave that sit on there. Actually, it still looks like it's got some mold on it. So I'm probably just gonna head and get over there, put another coat on that, and we have a couple spots over here that we're going to do the pump up with. See that right there? There's some stuff there. There's some stuff over here. See that orange stuff? Let me get up here. See that? When it's like that, you got to use your pump up. And there's a couple little spots down there. All right? So let's get after that. We'll go ahead and go back down to the shed over there and hit that again. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast, and it's just that easy. Let's get after it. All right, that's a wrap. Back of the garage, side of the garage. We need to do doors and stuff on the front, so we're not even going to bother with that. But the rest of it's clean. The fence is all clean. All the way down, the shed looks new again. All these spots are gone. I don't need to show you. The pump up took care of all that stuff. Gone. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast Pressure Washing. We'll see you Friday, all right? Remember, happy 4th of July to everybody. And we'll see you Friday. Let's get after it.